Hindi nga pinalampas ng anak ni Rufa Gutierrez na sila Venice at Lorin na magbigay ng pahayag sa kanilang pumanaw na tita Alexa. Sa kanilang kanya-kanyang Instagram post, sinabi ni Venice, "My dearest Tita Lex, nothing could have prepared me for how much I'll miss you. It has been a privilege to have known you and been loved by you. I will pray every day that you are resting easy. I will pray for the kids and Tito Elvis, and I will make sure to be the best ate to your girls. Your passing has left a hole in this family that nothing will be able to fill. I am so grateful for all the memories we've shared. From you babysitting me since 7, introducing me to Nicki Minaj, and inspiring me to be the super cool teenage girl just like you when I was a little girl. I would do anything to relive those moments again. Thank you for taking care of me and mentoring me through hard times when I had nobody else to turn to. You always took the time out of your day to help and guide me through whatever I was facing. All the planned trips and tours we will never get to take. All the text hotspots you have yet to show me. I will have the best time at uni for you, and I will be praying to heaven and telling you about all the stories. You were always my biggest supporter and now my guardian angel. The most beautiful soul taken away from us too soon. I will see you again someday. I love you so much." Sa mga naging pahayag ni Venice, ay mukhang napakabuting tita talaga nitong si Alexa. Narito naman ang napaka-sweet na mensahe din ni Lorin. "My sweet, smart, loving, hilarious, one-of-a-kind tita Alexa. My heart has been broken since the day you were diagnosed because you have always deserved nothing but the best this life has to offer. You fought a courageous battle and handled every hardship with so much grace, positivity, and faith in the Lord. You have been a consistent supporter, confident mentor, and aunt, and I never wanted to know a world without you. You are so easy to love, which made saying goodbye to you the hardest thing I have ever been through. I miss you the second you left." Say pa ni Lorin, "Our family won't be the same without you, and we are also broken from this it's possible to express. I promise to do my best to take care of your daughters, my sweet baby cousins, and remind them every day that their mommy is an angel who loves them so much. I have so much I want to say, but no words can compass how massive or encompass how massive of a loss this is for anyone who knew your beautiful spirit. I will do my best to continue making you proud and thank you for being there for me every step of the way. I love you, I love you, I love you so much." At dahil sa mensaheng ito na tila mahal na mahal nga nila Lorin at Venice, ayon pa sa kanila, "One of my favorite memories being your junior bridesmaid. Even if I was so young at the time, you did your best to make me feel included in all the wedding festivities, including your bridal shower. So much of who I am today is a reflection of growing up by your side, and I will hold every moment so close to me." Samantala, dahil nga sa tila masakit na nararamdaman ng kanyang mga anak, ay narito naman ang mensahe ng ex-husband ni Rufa Gutierrez na si Ilmas. "As the Bectas family, we share the pain of the loss of the Gutierrez family. As the Bectas family, we offer our condolences to the Gutierrez family. Yilmas Bectas." Nakatagpa sa Instagram story ni Rufa ang naging bahagi o mensahe pa ni Ilmas. Ayon sa kanya, "May your soul rest in peace. I wish the place you go to is better than the place you left." Marami naman ang natuwa sa ginawang act of love and sympathy nitong si Ilmas Bectas sa nasabi nga pong pamilya ng kanyang mga anak. Yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.